Hello and welcome back to Wilde. I'm Charlie, and today we're going to try some random beers that I just had sitting in my fridge. We got New Belgium Accumulation White IPA Pale Ale. Comes in at 6.2% alcohol by volume. Been sitting in there for a minute. They're out of Fort Collins, Colorado, and Asheville, North Carolina. White IPA. I've had a couple of white IPAs and they're pretty decent. Really like the concept. So anyhow, we've got very hazy Wilt style beer or Weiss beer. Nice white head. It's a very yellowy straw color. I mostly smell kind of yeast. Like a yeasty bread. A hint of pine. Doesn't smell like a typical IPA. It smells kind of more like a white beer. Alright, it's like a really hoppy Weiss beer. It's got a little citrusiness to it. It's very crisp, very refreshing. Get a hint of some spiciness. This is very much like a Hefeweizen, a Weiss beer, white beer, wheat beer, whatever. It does taste way hoppier than your typical Hefeweizen or Weiss beer. You're getting those, orange peel kind of flavors and maybe that coriander coming through, but you're definitely getting a lot of hops through there as well. And it's really refreshing. It's definitely good. Yeah, it's like a delicious yeasty bread with a little bit of a pineness to it. Kind of making you think of Christmas. Maybe why it's displayed as a winter style beer. It's very good. I mean, there's a lot of sediment rocking around in there. That might be why it's pretty yeasty. And yeah, definitely try it out. New Belgium, they do some pretty good stuff. I'm gonna have to give this beer a 7 out of 10. Definitely give it a shot. It's pretty decent. And I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, next up from Bell's, we have Oberon American Wheat Ale. And it comes in at 5.8% alcohol by volume. It's got a big old sun right there on the front. Give this a taste. Check it out. It's slightly hazy. We got a thick, dense head in a nice, rich golden color. All right, I'm getting a grainy wheat aroma off the aroma here, but not much else. It tastes kind of like a banana bread, like a hint of banana bread. So they probably used a Belgian style yeast for the fermentation process. I'm getting a hint of some kind of spice. Maybe it's coriander. It probably is. That's what they like to use with the wheat beers. Finish is kind of dry and not bitter at all. It's a pretty average wheat beer. I'm gonna have to give this a 5. It's definitely middle of the road. It's not bad. It's not amazing. It's just a good, refreshing beer, and you probably enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.